Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying hardware and creating a bootable Windows USB so the install can run uninterrupted. Once done, plug in power and peripherals, connect Ethernet for faster downloads, and note your Wi-Fi password. Make sure the target drive has space or is wiped. Back up any critical files now. Reboot and enter your PC's boot menu or BIOS with the shown key, then select the USB installer. This gets you directly into the Windows setup environment to begin installing. Once the installer runs, choose Language and Custom Install to control partitions and avoid leftover OS files. Next, create partitions: a small EFI partition for UEFI boot, a primary partition for Windows, and any data partitions you prefer. Format the primary partition and select it to install. The process will copy files and reboot a few times. After installation, walk through account creation or sign in with a Microsoft account. Set privacy options and connect to your network so updates and drivers can download automatically. Finish by installing the latest drivers from your PC maker or component vendors. Then run Windows Update repeatedly until everything is current. Once stable, restore backed up files, install antivirus or security tools, and create a recovery drive or system image for fast recovery. If something goes wrong and the PC won't boot, check BIOS boot order to ensure the right drive is first. If needed, boot the Windows Recovery USB and use Startup Repair or System Restore to fix boot records or roll back a problematic update.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.